Hello there, welcome to our channel Long Hits again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem your Amazon gift card from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now, to redeem your Amazon gift card from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in amazon.com like this and hit enter. Now, to redeem your gift card on your Amazon, you'll be required to sign in to your account first. To do that, you can see let's click on Don't Change right now, and on the top right corner of your screen you can see the sign in button available over here. Now, to redeem our card, let's first sign into our Amazon account. Now, this is my email. My computer has auto-filled my credential of the Amazon for me over here. Now let's click on continue. And over here, same with the password, you'll be required to enter your password over here, and let's click on sign in. And over here on this page, which is the home page of the Amazon itself, on the top of the screen you can see all these menus. Over here there is the gift cards option just beside the customer service, where I'm hovering right now. Click on the gift cards, and over here you can see on the top of the screen there is the view gift card balance, reload your balance, and redeem an Amazon gift card over here. Now, to redeem your Amazon gift card, click on redeem an Amazon gift card over here, and you can see over here this is a redeem a gift card page over here. Now, to redeem your Amazon gift card, enter your code over here. The code should be probably at the back side of the card which you have received. See, at the back side there will be a code covered with ink. Clear that ink, and after you have received your code, or if you have received your code by the mail, the code should be available in your email. After you receive your code from either ways, enter it over here and click on apply to your balance, and the balance or the worth amount of that gift card will be added to your Amazon account. And there, guys, this is how you redeem a gift card or redeem an Amazon gift card on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.